Hi everyone, how is going everything? I hope everything is in your way and you are heading towards your goal, towards your commitment. And guys, as I committed myself on 1st February, I'll record video, I'll elaborate different topic and dimension of life. So just I'm on the I'm on the commitment, guys, and I hope you're all heading towards your commitment. So guys, today I'd like to ask why you haven't succeeded yet. And second question I'd like to ask, how, if you don't succeed, then how you'll fight in this competitive world, and how you'll live in the society. So guys, first, why you haven't succeeded yet in your life? Guys, everyone wants to just get some mantra of success, and they go like to just priest, an astrologer, a mentor, teacher, counselor, guys. But guys, today I'm gonna give you some different mantra of success. Guys, some different mantra of success, and this all mantra will help you to uplift yourself by your own self. You don't need to just go astrologer. You don't need to just waste your money and time to uh, visit somewhere else. Guys, you hold the key of success. You hold the growth. You hold the reach, guys. You hold the money. You hold the education. You hold the talent. Guys, no one was born here super talented. No one will, guys, born here super talented. We work here and then we become, guys, if you just have a glance of history in every field, guys, whether in cricket, like Sachin Tendulkar, even in, guys, like science, I mean innovation, APJ Abdul Kalam, any field, guys, they were not born with that talent. Guys, Sachin Tendulkar was born with that field, I mean just aptitude with cricket. No, guys, they work on their self. They work, guys, and they made it out for what they are and what kind of things they can do. And guys, nowadays our youth generation, they are getting into astrologers words, mentor words, counselor words. But guys, it's time to need counsel. I mean, it's time to mentor yourself by your own self. Either, guys, you will digress from your path. You will digress from your path, and you will not get at your destination where you want to see yourself after a couple of months, either years. So guys, please blot out and change your mindset, change your thought process. Someone is super talented. I'm not super talented. I don't have any talent. No, my dears, no, my friends. Everyone has talent. If doesn't have, then, guys, start working, and you can develop a talent, guys. You can develop. It will take only, guys, 2 and 3 months if you want to master any skill. And guys, it's your fortune, it's our fortune, guys, if you perceive it in a positive context. Yeah, guys, if you perceive in a positive context, yeah, like there is one boy in your street and who is good at uh, just who is good in game. And guys, you are not good in anything. Guys, do you know how he is good? Actually, he has obsessed. He is obsessed with cricket. And guys, it's now if you perceive in a different way, in a negative, then you'll stress out yourself. So how can we just change our mindset to see something in a positive context? So guys, you have to perceive, it's my fortune. I god didn't give me any talent. Now god gave me opportunity to develop any talent according your interest, according world need, according your need, guys, according society needs. One person who is obsessed with something since childhood, guys, he will live his entire life only with that things. Guys, if we don't have any talent, we are fortune, we can develop, we can learn, we can master anything, whatever you want to learn, either it, either any field, guys, you can. But guys, thing is that you will have to obsess, you will have to make consistency, and no one can stop you to master that skill. So way is easy, guys, but thing is that you will have to change thoughts process every time, guys. Whether you win or lose, you will never let yourself down, guys. you will have you will not have to let yourself down, guys. You will not have to let yourself upset. Always, guys, you have to think positive. I took action, I didn't succeed, it doesn't mean, guys, I'm loser, I can't do anything in my life. Not, guys. If you took action, guys, you learn something. There is no loser, there is no just, guys, lose something. Whether we learn, whether we win, guys. So when we don't succeed, we learn something, we get experience, guys. And as I consider winning, guys, winning for me is experience is winning. Yeah, experience is winning, guys. You add something, you didn't lose something, guys. If you take action, definitely, if you pursuing something, guys, if you don't succeed, but still you added something in your journey, you added something in this life, guys. You got experience how someone can succeed, what were my mistakes. So guys, I'm gonna tell you, you will have to rectify your mentality, you will have to rectify your action, you will have to rectify your time, guys. Where do you spend your time? And guys, then you'll have to take action, and then you will succeed. No one can stop you, guys. Do you know who are our big who are, guys, our big, enemy, who always stop us to grow in our life? We are, guys, by our own self. We don't let ourselves grow, guys. We don't let ourselves get at our destination. So guys, we have to be friends of our own self, guys. Whatever you have, where you are, love yourself. I am the best, I am the best, I am the best. I am the best, guys. Guys, however you are, whatever you are, and wherever you are, and whatever do you have, love yourself. Compassion with your own self. I'm not talking about compassion, compassionate with nature. I'm not talking about compassionate with animals. Guide compassionate with your own self. I love myself, however I am, whatever I have, I love myself. And then, guys, you all get different way to live your life. And guys, next I'd like to just say to you all, please, if you took action in past, you didn't succeed, so just think yourself. Actually, guys, when we don't succeed, when we don't get what do we want to get, on that time, guys, we stress out, we feel like anxiety, depression, and as well as, guys, we also feel like we have some burden, I mean under cumbersome, and regret, repent. Guys, these all stuff become burden for us, guys, cumbersome for us. And guys, have you ever seen balloon, guys? Balloon, if you keep something in the balloon, guys, balloon can't go towards the sky. So, guys, if you want to go towards the sky, means if you want to grow in your life, you will have to get rid, you will have to remove, you will have to leave your all burden. With burden, you can't go ahead. So, guys, what's a way to just leave these all burden? To light-hearted yourself. Yeah, light-hearted yourself. So I'm gonna tell you, guys, if something happen, just guys, it's not in our hand to change. So, guys, one thing we can do, guys, think you didn't take any action, you didn't do something, whatever happened. Now it's time to start from zero. I mean, it's time to start from scratch. Guys, it's time to start from scratch. Forget, you can start new journey. You can say to yourself, guys, often we make ourselves fool. So why we cannot make ourselves understand? Now I am here. I have forgotten my past. Now I am at this place, and from here, from these all resources, what kind of things I can do to make my future strong, to make my future to fight with future challenges. Guys, then you will get yourself reflection. You will get a reflection from yourself. Yeah, love there. Now you are at zero level. And guys, when we get rid from this all stuff, imaginary stuff, guys, it's not in reality. It's not in reality. These are only imaginary stuff. We just rooted in our mind. Oh yeah, I don't succeed, and just by negative self-talk, we stress out. And guys, by our own words, we have to light-hearted ourselves. And when you all light-hearted yourself, then you all feel I'm at zero level. Now, once again, you all have same energy, and you will be obsessed with your journey, and then you all start with a guys super energetic, with a purpose you all have, and you all have a positive mindset. Now I'm at zero level, and zero to hero just I'm gonna be. Once again I'm gonna start my journey from scratch. And guys, I can make you sure you all get there where you want to see yourself. But thing is that guys, you will have to bring yourself at zero level, and then you all get there. And guys, next I'd like to just say to you all, you will have to you all have to speak your mind. You all have to talk with yourself. Even guys, I'd like to just recommend you all have to speak at least 10 and 20 minutes. You all have to speak. At morning you can speak, and at bedtime you'll have to speak to yourself. Actually there is one intelligent person inside you, but thing is that guys, until we don't talk to ourselves, we don't get into how am I and what kind of things I can do. So you all have to, if you want to get self-reflection, then you all have to talk to yourself. No, I can if I just believe on myself. Either guys, if you have any purpose, if you have uh, any reason to just do something in your life, but still if you don't have belief, you can't. You can't guys. So first of all, you will have to understand yourself. Yeah, whatever I'm doing, I'll make it happen. Whether someone just corroborate me or not, I'll make it happen. I'm gonna just do it. And guys, no one will trust on your vision, just on your purpose, on your mission. First thing guys, first step you all have to take, and when you all succeed, it's a truth guys. When you all succeed, then guys, other person, even your friends, your family members will come at you to help you. So first you all have to work. First you all have to succeed. It's a bitter truth about the world. We came here alone, we will go from here alone. We have to struggle alone. No one will support you. So guys, why we don't say to ourselves, you are alone here, you all have to struggle. And guys, I'd like to also share one more thing. I was like a different, just I had a self-doubt. I'm talking about my past. I had self-doubt, and I had fear from the world. So guys, I just went at my relatives, at someone's house to just get advice from them. They were, they are a successful person, so I try to just get some things from there. So guys, I'll also get two just view from them, negative and positive. So negative I forgot there. Positive things I'd like to share you all. Guys, they never scare to go ahead to take next step alone in their life. And they did guys with whatever they wanted to. But guys, why do we scare? Guys, we scare only one reason. There is only one reason. We bank on someone. We bank on resources. We make lame excuses. I don't have resources. I don't have good friends. I don't have background. Guys, if I elaborate their journey, they didn't have something. They made it happen, guys. If they can, so why not we, guys? Even, guys, we have more resources. If I compare, if we compare, guys, their journey and our journey, we have more resources than them, but still we are lagging behind from success. Only, guys, it's all about mindset. We have to change only mindset, guys. Means not different mind you have to just buy from market. Mindset means, guys, you will have to only change the way you think. Thinking process you have to change, and then you'll get whatever you want to do, whatever you want, guys. Place and everywhere. So one's life should be great life. My father always say to me, love one life, great life, one life, best life, one life, explore the dimension of life. So, and next point, I like to just say to you all, just love yourself. Love loves. So please, you should also love yourself, compassionate with yourself. Either, guys, now in this scenario, everyone is looking stability outside, happiness outside, money outside. Everything they perceive, these all things are outside. But truth is different, guys. Everything is inside you. There is one super talented person inside you. But that person, do you know when he or she will come from outside you? I mean, when you will get to know you are a talented person, you will have to take action. You have to just get out from your comfort zone. I always say to my viewers and my all best friends, your comfort zone will kill you. And if I have two options, comfort zone and death, I'll go with death. Comfort zone, there is no progress, there is no learning, there is only fear. Guys, how can I live my life with fear? No, guys, I can't live my life with fear. I want to live my life with progress. I want to live my life with learning. So it's time to take yoga, and I'll just meditate myself. So, guys, thanks for watching just your YouTube channel. Not my, guys, you're all just family members for me. Thanks for watching your favorite YouTube channel, Walk Talk. And I love to talk with walk and walk with talk. Actually, guys, I kill two birds with one stone. So I did, and now it's time to rest my words. So please take care yourself and your family members. No one will take care. And please keep on having a smile on your face. So thank you so much for paying your heed to my video. Thank you so much.